Here are the top 4 funny videos of a hilarious parrot moment. Wait until the end. The last one knows how to party. Like and subscribe, or comment if you love this cute parrot.
Do you have a work permit?
I work in entertainment. TikTok mostly.
That's not a real job.
Tell that to influencers. Grandma, why you walk so slow to the door?
My knees hurt.
Hurt? Grandma, even the mailman delivers faster than you move.
I'm careful.
Careful, by the time you reach the door, mail becomes history.